Have you ever wondered why your competition keeps showing up above you in Google, even when your content is better? They do have a secret SEO advantage, and it's called keyword gap analysis. In this video, I'll walk you through how to find the exact keywords your competitors are ranking for that you're not, and more importantly, how to actually use that information to drive more traffic to your site. A keyword gap analysis is basically competitive intelligence for SEO. You're comparing your site's keyword rankings against your competitors to find opportunities you're missing. The main goal is to identify high-impact keywords that your competitors rank for, but you don't. But you can find keywords where you're both competing, which can tell you where you might need to beef up your content, and keywords only you rank for, which shows you your advantages. Tools like SEMrush make this easy with visual reports showing exactly where you overlap with competitors and where the gaps are. But before we dive into the how-to, I'm sure some of you might be thinking, with AI overviews taking over search results, does keyword ranking even matter anymore? Short answer, yes. Even though zero-click searches are rising, there will always be people who want more detailed information. Those people click through to the top-ranking sites. Plus, Google confirmed that sites ranking well in traditional search are more likely to be cited in AI overviews. So ranking above your competitors is still incredibly valuable, even in the age of AI. Okay, so now that we've established why this matters, let me show you exactly how to do this. Step 1. Identify your top competitors. Start with your known business competitors, companies offering similar products or services, but also identify your SEO competitors, which might be different. You can use tools like SEMrush's organic research feature to see who's competing with you in search, or just open an incognito window and search your main keywords to see who else is showing up. Step 2. Run your keyword gap analysis. In SEMrush, you'll use the keyword gap tool. Enter your domain and up to 3 competitor domains, and the tool will show you all the keyword overlaps and gaps. You'll see filters for keywords you're missing, keywords you share with competitors, and keywords where you have weak or strong rankings. Step 3. Analyze the results. Once you've got your results, here's where the real strategy begins. You could spend hours going through thousands of keywords, so here are some tips for finding your quickest wins. First, start with the top opportunities section. This shows high-volume keywords your competitors rank for that you're completely missing. Second, filter for commercial and transactional intent. These target searchers further down the sales funnel, so ranking for them can improve your revenue faster than informational content. Third, look for AI overview opportunities. Filter for informational keywords, then run them through Google to see if there's an AI overview showing up. Ask yourself, why are those sources being chosen? What makes them better? What can you add to make your content even more valuable? Fourth, consider keyword difficulty. Tools like SEMrush show you how hard it is to rank for each keyword. Focus on keywords in the difficult range where competitors are already in the top 10. These are realistic targets that won't take years to rank for. Step 4. Create content hubs. Now that you've identified your best keyword opportunities, here's how to actually turn them into traffic. Don't just create random blog posts. Build content hubs. A content hub is a central pillar that comprehensively covers a main topic, with several supporting articles linking to it. This approach builds topical authority and helps both users and search engines navigate your content. For example, if you sell modeling clay and found that you don't rank for modeling clay keywords, you might create a pillar page called The Ultimate Guide to Modeling Clay: Types, Ideas, Tools, and more. Then, create supporting articles like Best Modeling Clay Tools, How to Store Modeling Clay, and so on. You can even use SEMrush's Keyword Strategy Builder to help plan out your content hubs based on the seed keywords from your gap analysis. Creating the content is just the beginning. If you want to know whether this strategy is actually working, you need to track the right metrics. Track your ranking changes over time using the Position Tracking tool by SEMrush. Set up a specific tag or keyword list for your gap analysis keywords so you can monitor them separately. Watch metrics like ranking position changes, SERP feature appearances, and whether you're showing up in AI overviews. Beyond rankings, monitor your actual traffic, overall organic traffic, traffic to your new landing pages, and conversions from that traffic. And don't forget engagement metrics like session duration, engagement rate, and scroll depth. These tell you whether people are actually finding your content valuable. Now that you've pinpointed the exact keywords your competitors rank for that you don't, how do you actually turn those keyword gaps into content that ranks and converts? Watch this next video to see 11 powerful ways to use ChatGPT for SEO, including prompts for clustering, content briefs, EEAT scoring, and more. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more how-to guides and strategies that drive real results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.